Hi kids, here's a little addendum to the vloggy for this week. Don't usually do this, but there's a couple things that came up. So, first off, it's Wednesday. I'm on the way to work again, of course. That's usually when you're going to see me. First off, something I'm pretty excited about. I ordered my Nike Plus Fuel Band. I don't know if you're familiar with what that is. I'll put a little link in the notes here. But basically, it's a glorified pedometer, but it has additional accelerometers in it. The general idea is to help people keep track of what it is they're doing during the day and try and help you figure out when you might be able to fit in some exercise. It's not for people who are already triathletes and stuff like that. They're okay. It's more for people like myself. I know, ladies, it's hard to believe. I don't consider myself in tip-top shape. But long story short, the general idea is that it helps you try and figure out, because the number one complaint is, I don't have time. So it helps you kind of figure out when to make time to try and get in shape. So I'm excited about that. It'll probably be here tomorrow, Thursday. If not, it would be here Friday, and that's fine, either one. But I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to wear it for about a week, maybe just a few days, try and figure out what's going on and where I can try and fit in some time to take care of my temple. Okay, other than that, there is some additional music that I had been listening to, and even some more that I kind of came across that as a result of listening to the music that I didn't remark on earlier. That is the band Spider Bait. Spider, B-A-I-T. Don't know if you've ever heard of them. I think they sing a lot of different stuff, but I don't know if they did the version everybody has heard of Black Betty. Oh, Black Betty, ram, ram. You know, that song that kind of got annoying a few years ago. I don't know if they actually sang the version that kind of annoyed everybody or not, but that is one that they do, and it sounds like, when I've listened to them, it sounds like the version that kind of annoyed everybody. But nonetheless, it's still a pretty good song, and they do have some good songs. Kind of heavy, hard, punkish rock stuff, and I dig it. Another one would be one that I came across by looking into Spider Bait and into Electric Six a little more. It was recommended to me that I check out The Hives. They've been around for a little while. I don't know why I haven't listened to them before, but they have a new album coming out, I think next week, called Lex Hives, and I was able to procure a copy of that, and it's pretty good, man. I like it. It's American punk / pop rock, and it's good. I like it, man. It's got some heavy aspects to it. I think if I do start getting into shape here and working out a little bit, it'd be good music to listen to for that. So I'm kind of listening to both those bands a little bit. Another thing, I did go back and start trying to watch Game of Thrones again. So I'm actually on season 1, and I just finished episode 3, getting ready to watch episode 4. It really is a good show, you know. I think just the first 2 episodes were kind of just different from what I expected, so I didn't really get into it at that point. But it is pretty good stuff. So if you haven't seen it, check it out, man. It's really well done. All right, guys, I will catch you later. Have a good rest of your week, and I will see you on the flip-flop.